today we're going to go buy my first vehicle back from the person I sold it to about 8 years ago, and it's been sitting on the side of a mountain for basically the time that I sold it to him till today, when he pulled it off and said I could come back and buy it. So after I sold it to him, he basically pulled the motor out of it and put it on the side of the mountain. And this guy, to give you an idea, doesn't really he says everything's for sale, but if he doesn't have to sell it, he doesn't really care. And that's why he's kept it for 8 years. It's basically done nothing. So last time I saw it was 2.5 years ago, and tires still had air in them. Basically, it was just sitting there like it was. There's a couple things missing, but we'll see what it looks like when we get there. Maybe we should try to push it off the hill.
I don't know. This is it, guys.
But I mean, it's in a junkyard. It truly is in a junkyard.
Oh man, it is way rougher than it used to be.
Oh dude, the air coat came off. Dude, she is about to roll off the side of this hill.
Legitimately, I don't know if you guys can see this, but literally if that tire went flat, it would roll down this embankment.
Man, it's been sitting outside for a long time.
But yeah, this is...
Damn, what's going on with
this is Nick's original truck here.
Dude, she's rough. Dude, I don't think the hood's even bolted down.
Alright, let's take a gander in here.
Oh, please, somebody tried stealing the fucking hood.
Trans is still in there. Trans is blown. Nick did that 10 years ago.
8. Dude,
And they pulled the motor out.
Look how rusty everything got.
Yeah, but that's actually not bad at all. For sitting in this spot this long, this is still in really good shape. I can't believe there's still a battery in this.
If that's still in it, I don't think anybody stole the good shit out of it.
Man, it's crazy that guys, this is what Nick drove when we were in high school, and we had so much fun with this thing.
Man, the full exhaust is gone.
That's fine. Dude, where this thing's gonna be...
I put those on, they were about to blow out back in the day.
Oh my god. Going in.
Look at that big spider.
Dude, the duct tape on the seat.
Yeah, it's still there.
Oh my god.
Oh, I think mice got to it.
Probably.
Oh man, shit, it's still
the center console's still in here.
Oh, look.
The torque converter's back there. There's a bunch of shit back there. Oh my god. I can't believe it. 172,000.
Oh, dude. There's still mud on the door panel and on the inside of the window from the last time I took it up Tower Road.
How are these things open?
Yo.
Oh my god.
This is my name tag from Votech.
Dude.
Look.
What else is in there?
Swisher Sweet wrappers. Gutschall recycling thing when I used to scrap metal. Yeah, that's my name, bro.
Proof.
Oh shit.
There's something. Oh
Looks
my
like
God,
ice got in it though. It's pretty rough. They sawzalled a bunch of shit.
Hood's probably gonna fly off. Just got real windy.
That door never opened.
Yeah, I recall this now. Hey. It was listed with no reverse for $1,500. As is no warranty.
I don't know why it didn't have reverse. Yo, be careful, that's on the hill.
Oh fuck, I felt that. I just wanted to look at the back. Well,
It's pretty rough, I'm not gonna lie.
yeah, but it's still not rusted out, which is crazy.
That door hasn't been open in like 10 years.
Like seriously, it is insane. Like this thing's not rusted out.
The crazy thing is like,
There's the intake.
we could really repaint it.
Yeah, oh yeah, we have to. Yeah, let's explain this real quick. So this thing is orange and white two-tone because that's what our township colors are. Well, were.
It used to be.
Yeah. This was used, what was this thing used for? The fire department, right?
See, look, I told you it was black.
Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't fire department, it was a chief's truck. It had white stickers right here. That's what you took the paint, but they came down here and then it was a 20 for Firehouse 20.
We still have the picture of it with that, I think.
They took the 20 off, but
Yeah, but like I remember we took off like the side decals.
It's pretty sad that it like completely like peeled off like that.
Yeah, like I don't know if you guys can see this, but yeah, like the clear coat and everything's peeled. Back then it wasn't like this.
Hey, right here, Dakota's neighbor's car. I smashed the whole door in it.
Yeah.
I put this. Do you remember this sticker?
I don't dial 911.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that. There was another one. The Ted Nugent sticker. Can't really see it.
Oh yeah, Ted Nugent for president.
Yeah, you can't see it.
But it says tednugent.com.
What happened to the woohoo right there?
It was diamond plate. Remember?
No, it was reflective.
Somebody probably stole it.
It was reflective. We'll have to try to find another thing to put in there.
It's because of the body lift.
But yeah, we gotta do this thing up exactly how it used to be. That's from the sun.
I can't believe these still have air in them.
Yeah.
35s are old. All right, let's go tell them we want it.
Yeah, we gotta try to get this thing out of here now. There it goes. Dug out of its hole. I am up there. Good? Good? All right. Well, she's all loaded up. Time to take this thing home. That's the fastest this thing has gone in like 7 years.
Man. Man, the speedometer's working.
Yeah, I know. That speedometer's been broken for, I don't know, a long
Like
time.
a month now. And then it just started working.
Witchcraft.
Now we gotta find a donor vehicle for drivetrain and interior.
And
Yeah.
that's about it on this one.
Like, share, and subscribe.